Moving forward to introduce the next award, which is the Excellence in Innovation Award for Healthcare Startup of the Year 2021. I would like to invite Mr. Manoj Saxena, Managing Director, Bayer Zydus Pharma and Country Division Head, South Asia Pharmaceuticals.
Thank you so much. Taking the cue from Dr. Guleria and congratulating him for the award. The pandemic did bring, a true mettle for healthcare provisions in India, especially when we went into a hard lockdown. Organizations have been challenged to find innovative, sustainable, and durable solutions so that the access of drugs and the healthcare facilities could be given to everybody in a diverse country like India. And in that, it was commendable to see that a lot of organizations and individuals came out with their entrepreneurial spirit, which displayed that these startups have risen to the occasion in such a compelling environment. And keeping in this mind, true to our spirit at OPPI, in the evolving landscape, with the backdrop of pandemic, we have now to introduce a new award, which is the Excellence in Innovation Award for Healthcare Startup of the Year. And this is further to our commitment in pushing the country's agenda for equitable access to healthcare. OPPI wishes to applaud every single effort of all the entrepreneurs, and we just heard Dr. Guleria is highlighting the entrepreneurial spirit of HCPs, where a gynecologist was treating pneumonia. I think a lot of startups were also looking at finding innovative solutions, be it digital, but focused on giving equitable access. And in that, this award goes to the startups who are focused on excellence in innovation from a startup culture. We had a very robust evaluation process, and OPPI wants to thank all the validators and the jury panel for that. If you can flash the names of the jury as well as the validator, I would like to thank them. Starting from Professor Sarang Deo, he is the area leader in operations management executive director, Indian School of Business, as well as attached to the Max Institute of Healthcare Management. And he had several rounds of serious discussions with the jury. If I can also see the jury's name, and thank you, Professor Sarandeo, for spending your significant time to really make sure that the process was absolutely fair and serious. We had excellent jury. Anand, who is co-founder and CEO of Baguworks, Raja, the MD for Sanofi India, Ramesh Kalisan, President and CEO of India Tech, as well as Meena Ganesh, co-founder, chairperson of MD Protea Medical, and Dr. Karthikeyan Ponalagu, technical director, Bosch AI Initiatives. I really want to thank all of them for their time spent to find the right startups. Can we have the winner? I know everybody is waiting for it, and the colleagues from. So extremely delighted and proud, and we are at Bayer, we are sponsoring this award for excellence in innovation as a healthcare startup is Briota Technologies Private Limited. I can see Gajanan and the colleagues here as well. So a round of applause for them. Extremely good work. So what they did is they developed a novel concept of AI-powered spiroproton device, which is for screening and diagnosis of chronic respiratory ailments. I really want to thank them for their outstanding work during the pandemic, but also living and showing the true entrepreneurial spirits during such a challenging times. Congratulations for the award to the entire team of Briota Technologies.
Yes, many congratulations to Briota Technologies Private Limited for taking away the award of OPPI Excellence in Innovation for Healthcare Startup of the Year 2021. I'd like to welcome Gajanan Sakhare, founder of Briota, Shardul Joshi, co-founder, and Aditi Payas, CEO, Briota Technologies Private Limited, to join us on screen while we display the recognition on screen. Many congratulations to the entire team. Would the winners like to say a few words?
Yeah, thank you so much, OPPI and team. In 2018, when we started Briota, I just had a simple and kind of a selfish goal. My mother is asthmatic. So I just wanted to build an affordable and easy to use pyrometer, which we did with all the hard work of Team Briota, and COVID happened. We didn't know the AI and machine learning that we were using in diagnosing asthma or COPD can actually help COVID patients. So our team again worked, like Dr. Guleria mentioned, 24 by 7. But not only our startups, but hundreds of startups were working really hard. We were lucky to work with Mumbai Municipal Corporation and some of the industries in India to help more than 40,000 patients during these difficult times. And now our teams in Denmark and India are on a global mission to help more than 1 million patients. And in this mission, this recognition from OPPI means a lot to us. I have not heard a case where a national body of pharma companies will honor a small health tech startup. That's really commendable. Thank you so much, OPPI. And a special thank you to Team Bayer. Getting a recognition and with a mentorship from an institution itself means a lot to us. And also, I would like to mention that getting our names announced in this event, where the legends like Dr. Punawala and Dr. Guleria are getting awards, gives me goosebumps. So, thank you so much, Team OPPI. We accept this award in all humility and gratitude, and we'll continue working, making sure that our innovation actually reaches grassroots. Thank you so much. Shardul and Aditi, you would like to add?
I believe Gajalan has spoken about our mission, so I will speak about the award process and the OPPI. So when we first applied for this award, we had a selfish goal, that is to win the award, promote ourselves, and understand how the pharma world works, especially with the startups. But the detailed selection process and the feedbacks and the suggestions which we received during the jury presentation helped us a lot to understand how much detailing we need to do, especially when we are talking about innovation. Startups generally work with a lot of passion, but they sometimes lack key details. Team OPPI has been very patient and supporting this type, and I see that this is a huge opportunity for Briota and for me person as a first-time entrepreneur to learn the clinical and commercial aspect of medtech products from the mentors of Bayer Pharmaceutical. Thank you, OPPI and Bayer Pharmaceutical, for this recognition and for their. Thank you. Aditi.
Hello. While we are excited to get mentoring sessions from Bayer, we actually look forward for connecting to all pharma companies under OPPI network, get the guidance and of course some business. I hear thanks a lot. Thank you very much to my team, my associates, my customers, my vendors, and not to forget our mentors from Atal Innovation Mission who are there and who are standing with us in our journey. Thank you once again, OPPI team and Bayer Pharmaceuticals. This means a lot to us. Thank you very much.
Big congratulations, Briota Technologies. May I request you to please hold that trophy one more time for a quick memory snapshot of this victory. Big congratulations to all of you. And yes, we would like to thank Bayer Pharmaceuticals Private Limited for sponsoring the Excellence in Innovation Award for the Healthcare Startup of the Year 2021. As part of the sponsorship, Bayer has agreed to collaborate further with the team for a one-year mentorship program. Thank you so much, Mr. Manoj Saxena. Thank you for sponsoring the award and thank you for being here and conferring the award as well.